My name is Tim Bourne, and I serve at Wycliffe Bible Translators, overseeing our partnerships. Some of you may know that the Babanki people have had their sets of challenges. They've had health struggles, spiritual darkness, and actually 3 out of the 4 translators have died. It's been so challenging that even the community around them has been scared to be anywhere near the work and fear that evil spirits will attack them. This people group needs your prayers and your encouragements along the way. Despite their challenges, they have a good foot forward and are in a new day. The Babanki people are on track to have their New Testament completed in the next 2 years. Sometime in 2017, God's Word is going to arrive for the Babanki people in Cameroon. It's something that I want to give each and every one of you a challenge here today. Go on the journey with the Babanki people in these last 2 years. There's different things you can do. You can be a voice for the Babanki people to your friends and family. You can sponsor a verse or a whole chapter of the remaining translation work. You can form a prayer group for the Babanki people. We know that some of the toughest times and the most challenges are in the last stretch of a people group getting God's Word.